Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. So today we're going to answer questions in the topic of DNA code of life. So the first question says albumin is a single chain, a globular protein made up of 585 amino acids. A small section of a DNA sequence coding for the information of albumin is shown below. So let's look at the table. We can see that those are DNA-based triplets. Write down the anticodon of the DNA-based triplet 6. So what you're going to do, you write the sequence, DNA under DNA, you write mRNA, under mRNA, you write tRNA, and then you substitute DNA CGT. You go down, you find mRNA first, mRNA C pairs with G, G pairs with C, and then T pairs with A. And then from mRNA, you're going to move to tRNA, and G pairs with C, as C pairs with G, and then A pairs with U. The answer is CGU. Describe the role of tRNA in protein synthesis. It brings amino acids to the ribosome to form required protein. So let's look at the next question. It says, how many nitrogenous bases are found in the mRNA molecule coding for information for albumin protein? Show all you're working. So nitrogenous bases that are going to be found in there, we will have 3 and one amino acid has how many nitrogenous bases? So 3. So we have 585 amino acids. We're going to say 585 multiplied by 3, because each amino acid is made up of 3 nitrogenous bases. So the answer is going to be 1755. How many let's look at the next question. It says the table below shows base triplets in mRNA that codes for different amino acid found in albumin. So we have the amino acids and then we have the mRNA based triplets. Using the table above mentioned, name the amino acid coded for by the DNA based triplets shown in table A. Right, so they're looking for amino acids of 1 and 4. So DNA, we have a TGC. Let's find the mRNA. T pairs with A, G pairs with C, C pairs with G. So ACG, let's look for ACG on the table. ACG, we have the amino acid is the cysteine, right? That is the first amino acid. So the one for number 4, GAT, G pairs. Let's get the corresponding nitrogenous bases for mRNA. And G pairs with C, A pairs with T, T pairs with A. So the answer is CTA. Let's look for CTA on the. I'm going to say let's look for CUA on the table. CUA, we have aspartic acid. So aspartic acid is the answer. So the next question says, describe the process of transcription. Transcription, the double helix unwinds the double-stranded DNA and zips to form 2 separate strands. One strand is used as a template to form mRNA. Using free RNA nucleotides from the nucleoplasm, the mRNA is complementary to the DNA. mRNA now has the coded message for protein synthesis. Let's look at the next set of questions. It says that the diagram below represents a process that occurs during protein synthesis. Identify molecule X. Molecule X, that is an amino acid. And then molecule Z, that is mRNA, will give the nitrogenous bases sequence. Give the nitrogenous base sequence of the DNA-based triplet complementary to the middle codon of molecule Z. So let's look at the middle. Which one is the middle codon of molecule Z? We have CAU, which is the first codon. We have AUG, which is in the middle. Now AUG, let's find the DNA. You're going to use sequence DNA, under DNA mRNA, under mRNA tRNA, substitute mRNA, AUG, we're moving to DNA. A pairs with T, U pairs with A, G pairs with C. So we are going to have TAC. The next question says they give the nitrogenous base sequence of for Y. So the nitrogenous base sequence for Y is going to be, we're going to use CAU to get the Y, which is the tRNA. We're going to move from mRNA straight to tRNA. C pairs with G, A pairs with U, U pairs with A. The answer is GUA. The next question says, name and describe the process shown in the diagram during formation of a protein. This is translation. Each tRNA carries a specific amino acid. When the anticodon on the tRNA matches the codon on the mRNA, then the tRNA brings the required amino acid to the ribosome. Amino acids become attached to each other by peptide bonds to form the required protein. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.